In today's video, I'm going to teach you why your cancellation request was denied on Temu. If you tried to cancel an order and the request didn't go through, don't worry. In most cases, there's a specific reason for it, and once you understand what happened, you'll know what to do next. One common reason is that your order has already been packed. Once Temu starts packing an order, cancellation is usually no longer possible because the item is already being prepared for shipment. If that's the case, the best thing to do is wait for the package to arrive. After delivery, you can check whether the item qualifies for a return or refund request. Another possible reason is that your order has already shipped. If the package has been handed over to the shipping carrier, Temu typically can't stop it anymore. At that point, cancellation is no longer an option. What you should do instead is track the package and wait for it to be delivered. Once you receive it, you can start a return request if the item is eligible under Temu's return policy. A third reason is that the cancellation time window has expired. Temu only allows cancellations during a limited period after an order is placed, so if too much time has passed, the system may automatically deny the request. A helpful tip here is to try to cancel as soon as possible after placing an order. If the allowed window has already passed, you'll need to wait until the package arrives. Another situation is when the order is already being processed. Even if it hasn't shipped yet, it may be in the final stages of processing, which can make the cancellation option unavailable. To check this, open Temu and go to your orders. Look at the current status of the order. If you no longer see the cancellation option, that usually means the order is too far along to stop. Sometimes, the problem may simply be a technical issue. Temporary problems on the app or website can interfere with a cancellation request. If that happens, refresh the Temu app or website first, then sign out and sign back in. After that, try submitting the cancellation request again, as long as the option is still available. If you believe your cancellation request was denied by mistake, the final step is to contact Temu customer support. Open the Temu app or website, go to help and support, and contact customer support directly.